In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install WordPress on Hostinger step by step. If you've just purchased hosting and you're ready to launch your website, this is the easiest and fastest way to get WordPress up and running. The entire process only takes a few minutes, and you don't need any technical experience, so let's walk through it together. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Head over to hostinger.com and sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main account dashboard. From here, click on Websites. This will show you a list of all the domains and hosting plans connected to your account. Find the website where you want to install WordPress and click on Dashboard next to that specific website. Now you're inside your website management area. This is where you control everything related to your domain, files, databases, emails, and installations. Next, look for the Website section in the left-hand menu. Under that, click on Auto Installer. Hostinger provides a one-click installer, which makes installing WordPress incredibly simple. Inside the Auto Installer section, you'll see a list of available applications you can install. Go ahead and select WordPress. Make sure you're choosing the standard WordPress option. Now you'll need to fill in some basic details for your new WordPress site. Start by entering your website title. This is the name of your site, and you can always change it later from inside WordPress. Next, enter your admin email address. Make sure this is an email you have access to, because WordPress will use it for important notifications and password resets. After that, create your admin username. Avoid using admin for security reasons. Choose something unique. Then create a strong admin password. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your website secure. Once you've filled in all the required fields, double-check everything to make sure it's correct. When you're ready, click on Install. Hostinger will now begin installing WordPress on your domain. This usually takes less than a minute. The system automatically sets up the database and configures everything for you, so there's no manual setup required. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. At this point, WordPress is successfully installed on your domain. To access your WordPress dashboard, go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Log in using the username and password you just created. From there, you can start customizing your site, installing themes, adding plugins, and creating content. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on Hostinger. As a quick recap, log into Hostinger, go to Websites, click Dashboard next to your domain, open Website, then Auto Installer, choose WordPress, enter your website details, and click Install. In just a few minutes, your site is live and ready to build. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.